Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope all of you are very fine and doing very well. Today's video is based on that the one basic problem faced by the users is to change the uh, layout of the Word file. If someone wants the page in landscape layout, so this video is based on how to change landscape orientation. So let's get started. You can see here is the first page, and then this is the second page. If you want to do or change the orientation of your page, so for that purpose, for example, if you want this first page as a simple and the second page as a landscape, so the page you want simple are in the portrait form, then place the cursor at the end of your page and then go to the option of layout. Here, as I have already opened option layout, after opening option layout, go to the option of the orientation. As you can see that the second option is the orientation, and then click on the orientation. As you can see there is two options. As you can see there is two options of the picture of the page look or layout. So first one is the portrait and the second is the landscape, and I want the second page as landscape, so I will click on the landscape orientation. But before this I have to add some page breaks that the first page will be different from the second page. So I will click on the breaks. So here is the section break option. Go to the next page option and click on this option, next page. As you can see that your cursor has been moved to the next page. Okay, next I want this page number 2 as landscape, so I will click on the orientation option and then click on the landscape option. As you can see that the first page is in the portrait form and the second page has been changed into the landscape form. This is the easiest way, and the third page is also in landscape. But if you want to take third page as the portrait form, then you should have to go to the second page, means the end of the landscape page, then go to the again go to the layout, then breaks, and then again which option, section breaks, and then next page. And when you click on the next page, then you can see that the cursor has been moved to the next page, means that page number 3, which is in the landscape form. So I want to change this page in the portrait form. So for that purpose, as you can see, the cursor is on the start of the page. So you have to click on the layout and then on the orientation. There are two options of orientation. First one is portrait, second is the landscape. This page is already in the landscape format, so I have to choose it on the portrait form, that it can changes into the portrait. So when I click on the portrait, as you can see that the page has been changed into the portrait form. This one is the easiest method to change your pages into the portrait or into the landscape format. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the bell icon and like, share and subscribe the video, that I can post more videos for you. And thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.